Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at ISIS Pharmaceuticals from a technical point of view. That's what we do here at StockBookie.com. We trade using the technicals on the charts. We use different time frames. This time we're using daily, weekly, monthly because it's a longer time frame. We have no position in this equity on ISIS, no position. We're just looking at it and seeing what kind of position it's sitting at this point, if there's any pattern setting up, or technically is it in a weak or a strong position. So let's look at it. Let's get right into it. I already drew some lines in here, some support areas, little gap fills, gap fill, going up to, we got resistance and we have support. We have a huge trend line down in here. Love this area. If we can line it up with a weekly, monthly with something else giving us a reason. Let's look right now. 35 bucks. Let's look on the weekly. Anything around 35 bucks. I'm looking for moving averages, that is. And this one's right around 50. Right around 50 is good too, but we'll go to the daily a little bit later. We have that trend line. We have a bunch of gap fills going up and down. But we're making lower highs right now. Weak position. Let me go back though. Earnings report, August 4th. Not playing this one. Just talking about it. Higher lows, goes down, bearish channel, breaks down. Like I've been saying, a lot of these stocks, Apple, what was a couple? I don't even know. If it gets above the MAs, the IWM, the Qs, if it gets above the MAs and stays up there and confirms, technically it's strong. It's in a strong position. Right now we're below all the MAs. This is curling down now. This is starting to make a little of a hump, basically, or an umbrella. And we'll see. Now we're waiting for pattern again. Good area of support right in this spot. We got the Fibonacci, and we have the 52.75. That was that gap fill. So it's holding it. So again, we're waiting on pattern, but with earnings, not playing it. Let's go to the weekly. You have a little bit of a channel. Again, you have pivot. You have this other pivot. So it's kind of just choppy, sloppy. Again, lower highs. This one too, below the MAs. Weak position. If it gets above here, it starts to go. I wouldn't touch the pharmaceutical ones. You'd have to watch on earnings and watch on news that they're going to report whatever kind of drug they're making or whatever they're doing. I don't even know what these guys do, but it's news driven. Look at this, down, up, down, up, down. This one, it was almost the big head fake. Oh, it's going now, and then slap. Monthly, same thing. We're thinking, it's coming into some good support here. You even have the 20 MA here. Monthly extended up in here. This is where you wanted to short. Extended from here, just like this. Extended, come on home to mama. Extended, come on home. But as this goes up, this is going to trail. No trend in this one too. If this was a good trend, it would have nice even spacing. This is a disaster. But again, this is a news-driven stock. Anything can happen. And we're not playing in the earnings, just wanting to show a couple people what my thoughts on it. Little bearish here, technically weak position. If we get above the MAs, just like the weekly, then it gets a little bit stronger. Prove to me you're a strong stock. Get above this, and this gap fill and confirm, then you have to respect. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this helps you on ISIS Pharmaceuticals. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.